Hey guys, Jason here, and welcome to an unboxing and first impressions of this year's best phone at $100. As you know, budget tech is one of the main things I talk about on this channel, and with regards to budget phones, after spending a full year keeping my eyes out for possible picks, I've settled on the Umidigi A7 Pro as the best budget phone of 2020. It's got a sleek glass and metal design, a 6.3-inch 1080p plus screen, a snappy mid-range processor with 4 gigs of RAM, Android 10, and thoughtful attention to detail like including the screen protector and case in the box. This isn't the first time I've unboxed it, as I have been using it for a little while and making a little bit of progress on my full review. You should totally sub for that, but I wanted to make this video to give you guys my preliminary thoughts, as well as that sweet satisfaction of popping new tech out of its packaging. Let's start with the box, which looks basically the same as last year, a little slide and pop, and we got the phone front and center. There was some stickers on the phone when I unboxed it for the first time, so the phone's looking a little naked right now, but if you look closely, there is the screen protector on there pre-applied, which honestly is the way all phones should ship in my opinion. I'm going to stop for a minute to admire the design here too. Around back we have the ocean blue color, which I describe as a cross between teal and navy blue, shiny and classy, and the metal rails and glass back combined with the nice modern water drop display really give this phone an expensive feel right away. Deeper in the box, we've got a little paper envelope that holds the SIM tool and the manual, and at the very bottom, there's a European plug and a USB-C cable. USB-C is of course good to see here, but the European plug is a bit weird. It's probably because I bought from Banggood as opposed to Amazon to save the cash, but they did include an adapter outside the main packaging when they shipped this to me. Not a big deal to me at all. But setting this phone up and using it, it feels really great. The design for me is perfect, and in this regard, I think it's really similar to the bigger Pixel 4a, the 5G one, as it's got the same screen size, resolution, refresh rate, and a pretty similar screen-to-body ratio. The 4a 5G does have an OLED screen, but even for the A7 to be similar at all to a $500 phone is a big deal. The Fingerprint Reader though, that was the first disappointment, as it's just really bad, to the point that I can't even use it, which is really weird since last year's model had such a good fingerprint reader, but it is what it is. The performance is snappy with the octa-core Helio P23, and of course it's not going to push the extremes of mobile gaming or remain silky smooth all the time, as there are a few hiccups. That's ultimately well more than you'd expect at this price. And the camera, lastly, has been something I've been testing pretty heavily lately, as again, this is my main phone right now. I do want to show y'all some sample photos to get a feel for the general quality, but I'm saving the rest for my full review because I have a lot more to say than would fit in a first impressions video. Anyway though, that's ultimately all the main key points that have stuck out to me in the past week or so, and if you do want to buy now, or maybe do some more research, I'll drop links to the A7 Pro on Banggood and Amazon, as well as its full spec sheet. That's it for me though, thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.